Hi there guys, hope you are well, and today I will let you know that in SocialEngine how actually you can update your page titles and also the meta descriptions. What exactly you have to do is you just go to appearance and go to layout editor, and here you can actually select a lot of pages depending on which of the modules you have installed on your website. For example, if I want to change something that is for landing page, when you search on the Google your website and it appears with some sort of title and some description, so what you have to do is you just click on the edit page, and you see it is this page name, it is only for reference, so you don't have to change it. You can rename it if you want to, like memorize it, that what it is, or whatever the indication could be. What exactly you need to do is you need to change the page title. The page title is actually something that will appear on the Google when someone is searching for your website, and usually a lot of client complains that this is the text that they see on the Google when people search on their website. So you can actually change it, or you can actually delete it and apply any new sort of page title, whichever you want. And remember this, that page landing page will have the append of your website name, which you will add in the general settings. So I can change it to something like demo by consecutive bytes. So whenever someone search for that demo, it will appear in the meta description that demo by consecutive bytes, and you can just click save changes, and that's it. Similarly, you can select any other page like blog view page. And blog view page, when currently if you haven't changed it and you have some blogs on displaying on the Google, and then what it will say, that like it will say blog view, and then there will be your blog title, something like that, and then in the description the people will see this page displays a blog entry, so which is, I think, is not a good representation of the blog entry page. So you can actually delete it, and it will actually pick up the description from the blog itself. If you do not want to delete it, you can just add some sort of static text which will always appear at the start of the description. So it depends on you, and you can also add the page keywords. I think they do not have any like specific impact on your search ranking, but I'm not sure because I'm not a SEO expert. So that's it. Actually, you can do any kind of like keyword updating, the title updating from here in the layout editor. And for any question regarding your SocialEngine website, let me know, and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.